So I just did the unboxing of the 12 Pro Max in Graphite on the channel. You can check that out. And I've got the 12 Pro Max leather case. So this is the Apple MagSafe case that fits the 12 Pro Max. They're very hard to get at the moment. So the Apple store just managed to have one left and I got there in time to get it. So these are $89 from the Apple store in Australia, and pretty basic packaging really. Like every year they just slide out of there. So let's get him out. And should just pop off that ledge inside. And there we go. So we've got the MagSafe magnets just there. We've got the knife. It's very, very light for the size of it. It's got like the all the 12 Pro cases. I've got a Pro boxing of the silicon case on the channel as well if you want to check that out for the 12 Pro. But this one has, like the other ones, it has a plastic bezel around the cameras there as a bit of protection. So because the cameras are quite large on the Pro Max this year. It's got the nice metal tactile buttons there for the volume and the power. It's got a little cutout there. And this year, finally, they've brought back the protection right across the bottom here. So I've got the 11 Pro leather case that I've been using on my 11 Pro, and you can see the cutout there. So the bottom edge of my 11 Pro never has any protection, and if you drop it and it happens to land on something right there, it will dent that stainless steel. And you can see there the difference with the camera surround. So this has got the plastic protection, whereas this was just rounded leather last year. It just goes around like that. And you can see the physical size difference of those camera bumps this year. So it's a monster of a camera bump. And just for a size comparison, we'll pop the 11 Pro case inside the 12 Pro Max leather case. And if I hold that in that top corner, obviously that has rounded edges. You can see that it is bigger, but not that much. I would say the hardest thing is going to be the grip sideways there. It's going to be very hard to get used to be able to reach all the way up to that corner and pull the control center down, or if you're scrolling just here to reach up to the notifications or down to the flick to get out of an app or something. So we'll see how that all goes. Another good comparison there is seeing it from the other way. So let's get this case on the phone. So we'll get rid of the 11 Pro case because that's not really relevant anymore. And this isn't turned on yet, so it won't pop up with the little animation, but that just slips on like that very nicely. And there you have it. So that's the leather case on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It feels very nice in the hand. It's over time, it does get a patina. You can see the difference, at least I hope you can see the difference in those leathers just there. So this one is about a year and a little bit old, and that one's obviously brand spanking new. So this has got quite a nice glossy sheen to it, and it becomes a little bit tacky as well compared to the brand new one. The brand new one is a little bit slippery straight out of the box, but it does get grippy over time. So if you do get it and don't like it, just persist with it for a little bit. You've got the 14-day return policy, so just give it a go and see if it does get a little bit grippier over time. But I can't get around that they've brought that back. That's absolutely excellent, because I was always worried about the iPhone dropping and landing on something on that bottom edge and damaging that bottom edge of the iPhone 11 Pro. So this year you won't have to worry too much about that. And we've got the ceramic shield on the phones now as well, even though I have put that glass screen protector on. The normal glass does have much better shatter resistance, breaking resistance, but apparently from what I've heard, it doesn't have any better scratch resistance. So if you're hoping to get a bit of extra scratch resistance this year, I think you might be out of luck there, but we'll see. Time will tell what happens with all that. But yeah, that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case with MagSafe, guys. They do say on the website that you will develop a ring around here. They actually show it on the website and fully disclose it. I don't have the MagSafe charger. I'm not really into wireless charging just yet. I normally just plug it in. It's in CarPlay when I'm in the car. I don't really need a wireless charger for what I do at the moment. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video.